Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is ALundy and I'm here at BISH'S RV, and we're going to be showing you a quick tour of a recent arrival we just got. This is a 2019 Winnebago Intent Class A gas-powered motorhome today. And actually, as of this year, this is now 2022, I'm filming this, they are no longer making this model, so this is exciting. We do have, as you can see down here, nice large storage compartments. And something you don't see on a whole lot of motorhomes, an outdoor kitchen. This one actually comes with a TV in it as well. And everything will be covered by your awning when you're out cooking and camping. So this one, being the 30R, is just over 30 feet. As we come inside here, you'll see it opens up really wide and it has a lot to offer. At the front, we're going to have a drop-down bed above the front seats. The front seats are going to swivel around, and we have a removable pedestal table here. It has a nice little storage area in the back closet, and when you lift it up, you can see it all comes apart, and you have the choice if you want to put it offset or centered. So really love this table. Really easy to do, just sits in, no special tools required. Then of course you have nice good counter space in this one, storage space, plenty of seating, nice size booth. There's also going to be some storage under there. This one does have a highly efficient 12-volt refrigerator, as well as it still has a propane gas powered oven. We're seeing fewer and fewer of these right now. As we go further back, nice glass door shower, bathroom across from each other, so your doors are going to end up making one large bathroom for you. And finally, way in the back, we see our second slide. Queen size bed on here, windows to see out. This here is your wardrobe, and also where you store that little table I mentioned. And even more counter space back here. You're also surrounded by multiple plugins, including USB plugins. So very nice modern coach here, side cameras, backup camera, the whole shebang. If you like this model, you have other questions, please feel free to give me a call. My direct number is 541-337-2387. And if you like this video and found it informative, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today.